Thank you, Mr. Shivesh, and thank you all. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome and gratitude to all our chief guests, guest of honors, the school principals, the academicians, our partners, Think Startup, CBSE. He was led by none less than Dr. Saha, who is the Director for Skills in Education in CBSE. And we are really thankful and we really get inspiration and we get motivated by taking these small steps when we got together with Mr. Shivesh, Shivani, the dynamic duo of Think Startup and the Entrepreneurship School. They really gave us that kind of hope that we really can together make a difference in the lives of our youth and for a better tomorrow. See, the Honorable Prime Minister has given a clarion call for Atmanirbhar Bharat, Stand Up India, Startup India, Skill India, and there are a whole lot of opportunities. The ease of doing business. This government of the day is doing so much to inculcate that spirit of entrepreneurship. And we said we must also play our part. And we at Management, Entrepreneurship and Professional Skills Council, we being under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, it is our mandate to inculcate the spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship amongst the youth through the Skill India mission. And we really wanted to go across and take the next step. And that next step was going to the schools. And the next step immediately after that is going to the colleges and then to the corporates. The whole idea is to have a change in mindset in the society. Parents, teachers. Dr. Sudha so explicitly told us. She really showed us that path. She showed us that promise. She showed us that kind of motivation which is required to inculcate. And we have two very bright young head boy and the head girl from the ITL school Dwarka, and their HOD English is also here. So we are really honored by their presence. Dr. Pandey was also here some time back. The whole idea is that we all have to collaborate as a society. We all have to get together, and this is one of the first step which we have taken. We call it a very infant step which we have taken, but we are going to make it bigger and biggest in the times to come. The idea is we really have to not only stop at 5 trillion, and like Mr. Shivesh mentioned, we really have to go to 20 trillion and beyond. We really have to be we are there in the top 5 economies of the world, but we really have to be in the top 2, 3 or maybe the top 1. Why not? Inshallah. So as the one of the speakers said, in the Silicon Valley, there are so many Indians behind all these unicorns. In India only, the recent Hurun report has mentioned that we have become the number 3 unicorns in the world, behind US and China. We are at 51. In this 2021, in the era of pandemic, we have grown at 3 unicorns per month till August. That is almost 24, 27 unicorns have been added, and there are many gazelles and many cheetahs which are there, which are coming ahead. The point is we have to have that faith, we have to have that fire, we have to handhold them, we have to mentor our youth to be able to live their dreams and dream big. Don't stop it. The whole idea is to let's go beyond the zone of comfort and go beyond, and that is what even the MD Macmillan Many mentioned. The real definition of an entrepreneurship is a person who is ready to take a risk. He has to be an adventurer. So we really want, and like Dr. Sudha mentioned, we really want our youths of tomorrow to be the youth. They should not be the job seekers, they have to be the job givers, and that is the spirit we really have to. And till the time we have academicians and leaders like her and leaders in their school, I am sure they will become the leaders of tomorrow in times to come, and I am very sure of that. And this only leaves me to just thank all my sponsors, if we can show them on the screen, all our partners, all our promoters who really gave us strength, and we are gaining momentum. It's like a moss which is gathering, we are going ahead at a very breakneck speed. There are many partners who are joining as we speak, but the initial support and the initial motivation has really inspired us to do even more. And as we go along, so we really look forward to this mission, which we have only lit, like Mr. Shivesh mentioned. This is just lighting of the fire, the one stick at this moment, but we want to light this fire in the forest, and we really have to have this kind of a momentum going, wherein we can change the entire youth, the country, and fortune and destiny of this nation. So I really want to extend my thanks to all our chief guests, the guest of honors, all our attendees who have joined us physically in this pandemic, and millions of them who are joining us live online through our various social media panels and online. So I really wish to really thank my team of Management, Entrepreneurship and Professional Skills Council, Team Think Startup, Team CBSC, and all the promoters and sponsors. Last but not the least, our friends from the media who have joined us in big numbers, Times Now, who has supported us to cover this event, and we will be coming out with a separate program on this. So really thank you all and wish you all the very best. Jai Hind.